As circa 1960s, the RAF seeks a supersonic trainer, the French Air Force a replacement for their aging ground attack fleet. A versatile, affordable, easy-to-maintain aircraft is needed. Enter Breguet Aviation and BAC's joint venture, SEPECAT. The result? The Jaguar. A twin-engine, swept-wing aircraft complete with tricycle landing gear rugged enough for rough, unprepared runways. Its landing gear boasts a reinforced structure of rough landings and enabling takeoffs from short, rough runways. With a variety of mission attack, close training, the Jaguar is a versatile attack aircraft. Weighing up to 15 tons, the Jaguar can cover an impressive range of 850 kilometers on internal fuel tanks alone, which extends to 1,400 kilometers. It outperforms competitors like the Mikoyan MiG-27 with a max service ceiling of 46,000 feet and the ability to fly at Mach 1.1 low level. Equipped with 5 hardpoints, the Jaguar can carry